So this is Yaamava, room 1529. We are up here on the 15th floor. As soon as you come into the room, you have a little closet here. It does have some hangers, a luggage rack, an ironing board. It also has your safe down here, as well as your iron and some slippers up there as well. Right on the right, you do have your bathroom. So you have a really large walk-in shower. There's some glassware, some lotion and some tissues. Inside the little cap, you do have a shoe mitt as well as a shower cap. Down below, you do have your towels. You also have your hair dryer in here as well. Right over here, you have your bathroom. You have your toilet. You have your trash can, and inside that gold thing is just another thing of toilet paper. You have your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, as well as a little bar soap. But it is a pretty big shower. You do have a little seat there so you can sit down if you wanted. You have two shower heads, and then right here you do have a mirror, as well as two electrical outlets. And then here is the main room. So we have two queen-size beds. There's a nightstand in the middle with your alarm clock and your telephone. You also have a chair here. And then we are checking in right now. It is 8 o'clock at night, so it is dark outside. But he did say that our room does look out to the mountain, so we'll be sure to film that in the morning, let you guys know what it's like. Inside here, you have a little fridge. You got some stuff here for tea or coffee in the morning. Right next to the cabinet, you do have a desk as well as a lamp. The lamp does have another electrical socket as well as some USB outlets so you can charge your phone, whatever else you may need. Here is the in-menu dining. So you have your breakfast, you have your late night stuff, as well as the lunch and dinner. You have another power outlet over here behind the chair. The beds do have a reading lamp as well as another USB. And that is the room tour of Yaamava, here room number 1529. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you've stayed here before, if you like to stay here, do you like the room. Thanks guys, bye. So this is the view from our room.